Guys, it is my favorite season to decorate for Christmas, and today we are doing Dollar Tree hosting DIYs. These products are from the Dollar Tree. Can you believe it? They are so gorgeous, and these ideas are actually easy. I'll show you exactly how to put them together. Beautiful Rae Dunn inspired creations too, because you guys asked. I hope you enjoy. Is it early for Christmas? Yes, but a lot of these items are going to sell out, and I want to get these videos out to you now so that way you actually have time to be able to do them. For me, decorating starts with things that I already have, and I love going to Dollar Tree to get classic pieces that can be used throughout multiple seasons. And you may remember this tiered tray that I made using Dollar Tree candlesticks and oven covers. I made this during fall time, and I absolutely love this one. It's the perfect transition into winter, along with these 18-inch wreaths that I bought last year. A great way to make them look flocked is to use a can of not very well shaken spray paint. And these buffalo check scarves they brought back from last year, you may remember them. They're fleece and they are still going strong. Feliz Navidad. Did you get it?
Fleece. Oh my God.
Feliz Navidad, yo. But isn't this beautiful with the tray and wreath? And a new item that I did want to purchase this year were these burlap sprigs. They even come with a piece of cotton inside. I predict they'll sell out really fast. And from last year, they also brought back these sprigs, which are just gorgeous. You can find similar ones at Walmart for about 97 cents, but these ones from the Dollar Tree really stood out to me. I'm loving the cotton, and definitely pick up the cinnamon pine cones. The throw on them is amazing. The Dollar Tree chargers and these Snowflake plates I got in 2016, I still love them and use every year. And one way to dress it up are to buy these wood rounds from Amazon. I'll put a link below. They are less than $1 a piece. You could write names on these, or I think it's really cute to write different reindeers' names to dress up your table. This would be an amazing place setting, don't you think? Next is a super easy DIY using Dollar Tree ornaments. This shutter came from the dollar spot at Target, but a wreath and a wood round along with this deer looks so elegant next to any coffee display. Take an old tray and add one of the scarves inside. I think it really dresses up the space. This next craft is a little deja brew. You may remember from a previous video these Rae Dunn inspired mugs, and I will link it. We made these floating shelves for about $35. They're so easy to do, but many of you asked, how did you make them? A Cricut machine, which I will also link down below. You can wait for a sale on them. They're super awesome if you do lots of DIYs and easy to use. You want to download the free Rae Dunn inspired font, which is called the Skinny, and it's from DeFont. You also need the Cricut program on your computer, which is also free, and you can put it right in the program and it will print onto your vinyl. Then you just use a little tool like this one to remove the inner pieces. It's super easy. You can use Dollar Tree contact paper for this as well, which lots of you mentioned, but painter's tape was what we had on hand. The tape works to transfer the vinyl on, and it's dishwasher and food safe. You'll love it, a latte. Please save me from myself. Next time you're in Dollar Tree, pick up the wired garland ties. Cut these down into thirds and wrap them around silverware bundles. This looks so cute. And I love these shabby chic boxes with a little truck on them. You get 2 for $1 and it's perfect for favors. If this video inspired you, you leave it a big thumbs up. Or hey, if you enjoyed all the puns I made, I would love to make another one just like this for you with more Christmas ideas. And if you like it, girl, I am there for it. I can't wait. I'll see you guys soon. I wonder if dental hygienists would be especially good at this.
They probably would be.
The pinch and dish. Oh dear.